GM, my name is Tins, and I'm a developer relation lead of OpenGuild community. And I think like when you visit this video, maybe you already know about like Open Polkadot Bootcamp, but you don't have like much information about it. So this is your chance to learn more about the bootcamp and also like how you can advance in the Polkadot ecosystem to our Open Bootcamp resource. So my name is Tin again, and I'm a developer relation lead, and also I'm a software engineer of one of the protocol in the Polkadot ecosystem. So now we're gonna go to the main topic about Open Polkadot Bootcamp. The Open Polkadot Bootcamp is created by OpenGuild Labs. It's designed to educate learners on all aspects of the Polkadot protocols and development within the Polkadot ecosystem. All the resources and material provided in this bootcamp is open for public uses as far as they are accredited. So OpenGuild is a Web3 builder-driven community elevating Polkadot. We find connect talent to become a part of Polkadot to create values, products, and culture in CR market. Our primary focus is to cater to builders, organizations seeking a comprehensive understanding of the Polkadot blockchain, providing curated, in-depth resources, engaging activities and events. So OpenGuild community is run by the OG core team, a team of dedicated long-term contributors focusing on expanding market entries and enhancing builders' organization awareness of collaborations for Polkadot in Southeast Asia. So in like after like nearly a year, we already repair a lot of resources. So this is also like one of our primary resources for builders in the CR market to learn about Polkadot. Okay, so here's the resource of the bootcamp. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to go through some of the basic stuff in the bootcamp and what is included. So this is the bootcamp. So what I just introduced to you, you can find all the information right here about OpenGuild and also like Open Polkadot Bootcamp and how you can use it. There's also another page called additional resources. These additional resources include additional resources, obviously, not only about Subtree, not only about Polkadot SDK, but also like about the Polkadot ecosystem that you can like expand your knowledge about like Polkadot and blockchain following the resources. So for example, here like we have the roadmap, and this roadmap will be very, very beneficial for the beginners who just try Polkadot ecosystem to learn about it. We can also like visit the EZA challenge. So this challenge is built by the OpenGuild community, and if you already like downloaded the EZA app before, when you visit it, you can also learn about EZA Polkadot versions without like installing the EZA app, but you can learn it directly on OpenGuild platform, and you can also like claim the XP to it. Okay, now we go back to the Polkadot development roadmap. So here's the Polkadot development roadmap. I'm gonna try to deep dive into this later, but I'm gonna want to also like go to other resources again. So you can also like discover more resources on OpenGuild website. So this OpenGuild website like include some additional resources about like Learn Rust, Learn Polkadot SDK, Learn Inc. And actually like all the resources already like combined by our team on this like Open Polkadot Bootcamp. So you don't have like to revisit it on like revisit it individually and then learn one by one, but you just follow the bootcamp and definitely you want to like have all the resources covered. Go back to the development roadmap. Why this is beneficial? So yeah, like if you're beginners, you definitely want like what you need to repair, what you need to learn to become a blockchain engineer. So first, it's about the blockchain. The blockchains in this roadmap, we're gonna like have the high-level concepts and the low-level development concepts. In the high-level concepts, we have like what is a blockchain, what is a data structure, Ethereum architecture and EVM, introduction to state machine, introduction to Polkadot. Very basic, very surface level of knowledge that when you follow, you're gonna like get like basic idea what is the blockchain, any like necessary architecture, necessary data structure used in the blockchain space, and also like what is Ethereum architecture and EVM. Later, when you're already familiar with this concept, for example, like digital signature, basic data structure using blockchain, basic concept of state machine, overall idea of Polkadot visions, consensus, then you can like also like move to the low-level development. And in the low-level development, getting back to our bootcamp, in the low-level development, you're gonna learn about subtrade. So subtrade gonna like contain the runtime, the palette. We also like cover this concept later in our bootcamp as well, so don't worry. Just use this roadmap as a cheat sheet, I can say, or maybe like some kind of like journey note taking, so that you can like take note your like journey following this like roadmap. So like you're gonna have a substrate, raise frame palette, on-chain randomness, partition. You don't have like to care about all these things right now, and but because like, we're gonna revisit it after when we like reach those module. Now we go back to our bootcamp. So what we have in this bootcamp, first, if you want to be serious with the bootcamp and you need like technical support, you definitely like want to join the Discord of OpenGuild. Click on the link that I just click. Then there you like fill in your name, also like sign in with Discord, and you're gonna like join our Discord OpenGuild community. Right now we have like nearly 1,000 members on our OpenGuild Discord, and we do a lot of activities on our OpenGuild Discord. So yeah, don't forget to join our Discord to get the technical support for the bootcamp. So the structure and how to use this guidebook. So this guidebook contains two sections. The first one, foundation knowledge, and the second one, building a blockchain with Polkadot SDK. There's gonna be like another module that I haven't covered this here, but it would be like smart contract development. First, about foundational knowledge. Before like going to the domain specific knowledge of Polkadot, you would want to prepare yourself with a Rust skill, at least like intermediate level. So here like we already repair a lot of module. Let me count. So right here we have I guess like 11 module from basic to advanced. The basic one gonna like guide you through like some basic module in Rust, like introduction to Rust, common programming concept, program lifecycle, ownership and borrow checker, common data structure, and then like advanced Rust gonna like introduce you about like generic type, JSTension, and advanced type, lifetime notations, map pointer and macros, common design pattern in Rust, packet management and how to structure your Rust project, overview of the Rust ecosystem. You can also like see the outline of this module right here. All right, so when after like you finish that module, you're gonna repair yourself with a Rust skill that you needed to do the Polkadot development module. In the future, we're gonna also like have the blockchain foundation module, but right now we don't have that yet. But when we have it, we're gonna update the video, and also like you're gonna see it. And now we go to the building a blockchain with Polkadot SDK. You have to learn about like what is a Polkadot, and also like vision behind Polkadot, architecture, low-level design of Polkadot, and then also like some additional read that you can like follow. Then like we go to the main hands-on material with a Polkadot development kit. After like finishing this module, you're gonna like repair yourself with all the skill that you needed to like build a blockchain on Polkadot using Polkadot technology, and also like your blockchain like can also like produce block, finalize block. That's how amazing it is with the tool called like Substrate, and also like Cumulus, XCM, how excited it is. But yeah, we're gonna learn about that. And as I mentioned, we also have another module called smart contract development. This smart contract development gonna learn also like teach you about like virtual machine compiler, recompiler, smart contract language, and also like how to develop a smart contract on Polkadot using Ink and also like Solidity, deploy Moonbeam, kind of things. But this also like will be updated in the future. So that is how the bootcamp look like, and hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord and message in the group chat.